Spider IDE, Spider Integrated Development Environment, and in this you can see that I specify my folder as Python course, and in this folder I just make a subfolder as time series data and in this I make a Python file time series data.py. So I also want to say you that I have two files in this subfolder. I have two files in this subfolder. First is airpassengers.csv and time series data.py. So now let's start with our coding session. And first of all, I want to import the basic libraries, pandas, numpy, and matplotlib. Now let me import the airpassenger.csv and let's see the dataset. So this is our dataset where we have month. This is our the time data. What is happening? Why is not? Huh. And next is passengers. So these two are columns. These two are our columns. Now let's see some head. These are the first 5 rows. Now see the data types. These are the data types. And the another way through which we, we can load this is like data pass data and print the pass data. This is the data head, and you can now see the data types of it. So you can see that only one type, another is became the index. This is our index. Date and time is becoming index, and we have only one column, which is passengers. Now let's see the data dot index. These are the indexes. Index is changed to the data, and see the see the data type. It is date time. It is date time 64ns. Name month length 144, which is the number of rows. And now we make a series of it in the ts. Now see the head of it, 10 values, first 10 values. Now see the value in 1949, first month, and first January, first date 1949 11, and we get a value of 112. Now see value in different format. Now see the date by using the date 10 time. Let's see the value, and we get 112. So if you want to see the entire range of values, some range of values, then we can use this ts and specify the first to specify the date and starting date, and then you specify the ending date. You can use this if this is the starting date. Like you can see that starting date is 1949 11, and we also starting from 1949 11. So we can write this also. It makes the same thing. And now let's consider another instance where you need all the values of the year 1949. So in the 1949 you have these values, and let's make a plot of it also. So these are the value, and this is the plot for the values that we have of 140, I think, rows, 144 rows. So that's about data. Yes, 144 rows. So that's all about the time series data, and where we talk about some cool stuff and how we can handle this. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay motivated and keep learning.